Let me show you how to make this mug rug. Here we have 3 braided twist sizes, the original, the junior, and the half pint. This little half pint is the focus of this video, but I have to warn you, when you make one, you'll want to make another and then another. This is the one we'll be making today. See this small curve? Don't worry, you don't have to set it in. It's appliqued. Just follow the lines to cut the freezer paper. Iron it to the fabric, then using the same tool, trim it for the exact amount you'll need to turn it under so it's nice and smooth. All those details have been built into the tool. Stitch the applique to the corner of this piece. Now match the line to the applique and cut. Using that tool, cut half circles from the other rectangles. Put the appliqued and solid half circles together and sew only halfway. Do the same thing with the other set as well as the backing pieces. Put the front and back circles together, right sides facing. Now sew around the outer edge. Next comes the fleece. Start with a rectangle, fold it, and use the half pint tool to cut the exact size needed. Bond a fleece half circle to each side. A circle this small needs to be trimmed along the outer edge. Now turn the right side out and smooth the edges and press. I'm sewing along the outer edge of the red portion now, but I'll wait until the end to stitch the printed portion. Make 2 of these and we're ready to put them together. Put this side onto this side and sew. Notice I've backstitched both at the beginning and the end of this seam. Here's a view of it laid out flat. And next, I'll sew the other 2 sides. The key to sewing this tiny seam is pinning it like this. Sew it like any other seam and both sides are fully attached. Let's take a look. Kinda crazy, huh? But now, here's the twist. Wow, just a twist. While you can use a fusible to hold the layers in place, I'm going to top stitch around this edge, just like I did with the red. The stitching holds the layers flat and gives you a stable, washable project. Once you've made one, make another and another. They're such fun little gifts